Hello, and welcome to LSET Tech Bytes. Today we're exploring React, the JavaScript gem loved by developers worldwide. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what is React. A favored selection in modern web development, React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Developed by Facebook, it's now upheld by a collaborative community of individual developers and businesses. React. Who uses it? Let's see who commonly uses React. Web developers. Full-stack developers. The following are some key benefits of using React. Component-based design promotes reusability. Virtual DOM for improved performance. Strong community support. Wide range of third-party libraries and tools. Popular choice for modern web development. React prerequisites. React offers compatibility with alternative programming languages such as Python and Java. To begin using React, the following prerequisites must be met. Basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Familiarity with command-line terminal. Node.js and NPM must be installed. Now let's move on to the installation part of the process. The first step is to install Node.js and Node Package Manager. Before you dive into React, ensure you have Node.js and NPM installed. If you haven't already, please refer to our comprehensive Node.js installation video. You can find the link in the video description or simply click the I button on the right side of the screen for quick access to that video. The second step is to install the React app. Create React App is a CLI tool that helps you to create a new React project quickly and easily. In the first step, using Create React App, a new React project can be quickly set up with a recommended project structure and configuration. Open a command prompt and run the following commands to install React App globally. npm install g create React App. Using this command, React App will be installed on your system, making it available for use in any directory. The third step is to create a new React project. Now that the React App has been installed, you can use it to create a new React project. Write the following command. Go to the directory where the project should be stored and run it. Create React App My App. Please replace My App with your desired project name. Remember, your project name should be unique. React App will create a new directory with the specified name and generate a new React project according to the recommended project structure and configuration. Go to the project directory and start the development server. Using the command prompt, navigate to the project directory by running the following command. cd my app. Replace my app with the name of your project directory. Start the development server by running the following command. npm start. The following command launches the development server, which automatically reloads the browser when changes are detected in your project files. This should open a new browser window with your React application running at localhost 3000. Congratulations! Your Windows machine has been successfully installed with React, and a new React project has been created. Now that you have React installed, you can begin building your user interfaces. Thank you for joining us on Tech Bytes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, happy coding!